Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas.
Hey y'all, so I am Simone Protective Styles, and in today's video I will be showing y'all how to do soft locks and also how you can make anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 a week. Sorry, not a month, a week, doing soft locks. So stay tuned for this video. I will have a demonstration on my client. So if you are watching this video, be sure to get a mannequin. I will be sure to have it in my Amazon storefront for you all, and let's get to learning. Oh, and also like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Okay, y'all, so you're gonna want to make sure you have anywhere from 3, depending on where you're buying your soft locks from. If you're getting it from the beauty supply store, you're gonna want to make sure you have at least 4 packs. If you're getting a pack of soft lock hair that has 3 packs in it, all you're gonna need is 2. And then if you're going to end up buying your soft locks from Amazon, they kind of come in 6 packs already. So you need anything anywhere from 4 to 6 bundles. If you get the pack that comes with 6 bundles inside, I know that it ranges anywhere from like 65 soft locks to 72. But today my client will be getting these, and this is an inch of 24. This right here is going to be the Ultra Twist Up Springy Afro Twist in 16 inches. This is what I will be wrapping my client's hair with. I'm going to need at least 2 packs for this hairstyle. I want to make sure that you are, I don't even know if my mic was on, but you want to make sure that in each strand that you're pulling at least 4 strands of hair. And so I'm just prepping my client's hair before she gets here, and I just like to kind of lay it. I'm going to bring the camera up so you guys can see. I just kind of like to lay it on here. And so you see one bundle of the spring twist hair looks like this, and so I just like to split it into at least 4 pieces of hair. And this is what you're going to use to wrap your client's hair. Woo, happy new year if you are watching this video, and welcome back to my channel. I am Simone Protective Styles, and in today's video I will be teaching y'all how to do soft locks. I do have a lot of more soft lock videos on my page, so please be sure to check that out as well. So you're going to want to make sure that you part your client's hair into 3 sections that you see how I demonstrated a few seconds ago. You're going to want to part ear to ear, then you're going to want to go ahead and make the client's middle part. My client wanted natural parting, so they have an option to do natural parting or square, and we decided to do natural. You can do natural parting small, medium, or large. My client got more of a medium. Her hair is super thick as well, and she does take her hair down by herself sometimes, and so this was the perfect style for her. And also you have to look at the client's density and how healthy their hair is as well.
Coming soon to me. No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Okay, so let's talk about how you can make anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 a week by doing soft locks. Soft locks is a very easy style to learn, and you can do this style anywhere from 2.5 hours depending on how fast you are. I can get done doing soft locks in about 2.5, 3 hours, sometimes 4 if they are getting small parts, but no more than 4 hours. So first you need to think about your pricing and how much you're going to price your soft locks. Are you going to provide the hair or not provide the hair? I do advise that you supply the hair because clients these days, especially in 2025, they are all about convenience. So you can either find you a vendor or you could find someone on Amazon where they sell soft lock hair for a cheaper price than what you will pay at the beauty supply store. I like to purchase my soft lock hair if I have time from Amazon. I will be sure to put that in my storefront for you all to click on as well. Let's talk about pricing. So even if you was to charge at least $175, this is not including the hair, but if you was to charge $200, $250 and up doing soft locks, you will be able to make an additional $1,500 to $3,000 a week. Because honestly, if you are somebody who doesn't really have anything to do, you know, I'm a mom, I have kids, I have a lot of things going on in my life other than hair. But if you are somebody out there who can just really do hair, you can at least get about 2 to 3 clients a day doing soft locks. So you add that like up. I said before, soft locks are really easy to do. Only thing that may be a little difficult to people is when it comes to parting. But once you get in the groove of parting, this hairstyle is simple. What I'm doing here is just kind of showing y'all. First, you're just going to braid that client's hair down, or your hair, or whoever, and then you're going to add a piece of that soft lock hair to that third leg, and then you're going to just flip that over. You're going to continue to braid all the way down, and then after that you're going to get a crochet hook, and you're going to feed the spring twist hair through, and you're just going to twist. Then you're going to tie a knot, and then you're just going to keep on wrapping and twisting until you can't twist anymore. And that's pretty much how you do soft locks. If you would like a more detailed one-on-one, like I said, I do have more videos on my page. And then also I do teach classes as well. So be sure to check those out. I do virtual classes if you feel like you just want to do a more of a one-on-one style. And this video may be too fast for you, but you can also slow this video down as well, just so you can make sure that you get the concept. I would say learn how to do this style, do it in your city. A lot of people don't really know how to do faux locks, but like I said, starting off with soft locks will be the most easiest style to do. This style can be worn anywhere from 2 to 3 months. Oh, and also I forgot to tell y'all, my client, she did not want any product in her hair, so I did this just using water. I used to use water back in the day, but times have changed and people kind of like that more neat, sleek look. But if you're a client, or if you don't like to use products, because if you use products, that's just going to amount to more product buildup. And so to avoid that would just be not using any products at all. So I do advise using a water method if you can. Also, what's so important for this style is when you're wrapping that client's hair, you want to make sure that you're tying a knot to seal the end of that spring twist hair once you're done covering up the client's braid. Back to the money topic. All right, y'all. So we're trying to make at least $15,000 to $3,000 a week, okay? So that means that we need to be promoting, and we also need to be making sure that we're getting our business name out there. First things first, you want to make sure that you have a booking website. The booking site that I use is Acuity. I've been using Acuity for years. You can use Square and other platforms, but I just know Acuity. And then also make sure if you're going to provide the hair, you also have a deposit into place, because if you don't have any money up front, then your clients will just pay that deposit, but that deposit goes towards their hair that you will be installing. So if you are buying hair from the beauty supply store, it's probably going to run you anywhere from $45 to $50, and that's not including products, and that's not including the spring twist wrapping hair. So for my soft locks, my price is set at $50, just so I know that everything is covered for the client's hair. And when I tell you, your clients will pay for convenience, and if you promote that, then your business will be ready to start. Okay, provide the hair, y'all. I cannot say that enough. Provide the hair for your clients. It is 2025. All right. I hope that y'all enjoyed watching this video. And if you have any questions, feel free. If y'all have any questions, feel free to put it down in the comment section below. I hope that I pretty much explained this video very thorough. Get your business out there. What are you waiting on? Learn how to do a style. Get good at that style. Become the best at that style in your city. And now you have a service that you can sell. You're trying to probably figure out, I'm not making no money. What am I going to do? Start off with something simple like this and just go from there. This style ended up turning out really cute on my client. I also dipped her ends as well to make it a more sleek look. Some people like their ends dipped. Some people don't. As you see, it just kind of takes the curl out, and it also makes the locks a more flowy. And I was also able to put her hair up in a bun on the first day. So like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also press that like, and also comment if you need to comment.